Morning. We actually combined 50 acres yesterday. Filled this Super B somewhat legal. I'm heavy, but I'm gonna haul this in, save on bin space and bag space, and get an idea on grade, moisture, and protein. Combines were showing 15, so it's almost dry, but it's busheling like close to 60, which is higher than what we expected, but that's good. Then when I get back, I have to meet with Hail Insurance. They're here all day yesterday, and they'll be here all day today and maybe into tomorrow. Then hopefully I can get a tank sprayed out, still desiccating the canola, but we can move the water trailer where we are combining the wheat, and that can kind of be ground zero. I'm all around there. And then after that, get these combines fired up. Should be a full day of activities today. The wheat's so warm. 30 degrees yesterday, 32 today. I'm gonna cool this wheat down. Let's go in the bin. The wheat actually has decent color for how much fall rain. We've been getting one more rain on this stuff, and it'll start to bleach out pretty good. The hail damage on my fields aren't as bad as my dad's, but I knew that. I'd rather have the grain anyway. I think they'll be done today, sounds like. This is ground zero today. This is the 50 acres we peeled off yesterday. I'm spraying to the north here, so we're close. Even if I got 2 tanks out and the rest of this field combine, we'd be doing pretty good, I think. And then the water trailer can sit on the wheat stubble later instead of parking and filling on the road. I have 2,000 acres of canola yet to spray. So even doing 2 tanks every morning, that's still a week left of spraying left. But we got more help coming tomorrow. It's just weird timing this year. Usually we have a lot of the spraying done before the combines roll. It's tough to kind of trying to do everything all at once here. So once the spraying is done, it'll be one less thing to do. This is our commuter vehicle to the field here. The sprayer's loaded, and it'll be ready for me shortly after supper. Combine until then, and then get another tank out in the evening. Need to do my 2 tanks a day to keep this guy going. Want to give Taylor a refresher in the combine here. How was cutting grass this morning?
Nice and hot.
Yeah, what happened?
I ran out of gas.
Ran out of gas. That's okay. We'll put her in the combine. That thing's full of fuel. Okay, we're going. Combining wheat. August 29th. We're ahead of schedule. Well, we're ahead of the old schedule. The original timeline was nothing in August. So we get a little bit done these last few days of August. That's a bonus. This is Hughes wheat. It's going close to 60. My guesstimation was 50. The moisture on the combines 13-ish. The load I hauled this morning was 11.8, so it's plenty dry. This has been sprayed for, what is today? Friday, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. 11 days now. But it's been so hot. 32 again today. So it's ripening nice and quick. So if we peel off, even if we peel off the rest of this field here, it's Taylor, yeah, Taylor's behind me in that combine. Kim's in the grain cart. Dad's giving her a lesson, then he's gonna hop in the truck. peel off the rest of this quarter, move to the next one, and get spraying again. Get all that done, I think it'd be a pretty good day. Put my one sandwich in the fridge for later. Holy! We got crushets in here. I'm leaking. Threw it past my window. Well, how? He's done like 4 hoppers. Trying to have my sandwich. What the heck? Trying to back out of here, get unloaded. Leaking. What the heck? Yeah, that'll do it. That'll escape out of there. Tighter seal now. Yeah, I don't know how it wasn't leaking before. Dad said it wasn't. Can't not hear it. Okay. Let's get ourselves out of here and try again. That's better. It's holding more grain. Still trying to work out all the kinks here. Thrashing, unloading. Wishing it was more than $6.85 a bushel. It's actually nice combining because the yield is there for 50-60, but it's not as much plant as last year. Last year we were only going about 2.5 miles an hour because it was just so much material to get through. The heads are nice and big this year and there's not as much plant. This is the wheat on wheat, so there isn't the volunteer canola to go through, so next field that could be a little bit of a different story, but yeah, I'm going 3.5 miles an hour. It's actually good going here. Lock it in at 7. But not every field is going to be this heavy. I don't know what this guy's deal was. It looked good right from the start and it came up nice and even. This one, it'll be the top end, maybe a few others. So if this one's going 60 where it's not hailed, maybe 50 bushels, and then where it is hailed, the 1 quarter is written off. So even if those go like 35 maybe, somewhere in there. Kind of thought we wouldn't need the bagger, but we'll be looking at that again, which is a good problem. So I'm on pass 5. Is that a similar number to what yours is saying?
Yeah, I'm on 6.
Okay, so take 3.
Alright.
Back in our pattern, back to regular schedule programming. Big loads. That fent looks nasty on there. Almost makes a guy want to go on the grain cart, maybe? 2 passes left. Getting it done. I'm right full. Full bird poop. And we just have to go like kitty corner right here, but we can't get there because there's coal in the way, so we got to take the long way around on the road. Pop, lock, and drop it. That's good. We'll just do the middle. It's actually pretty hot out here. I think we're finally in the same job now. I can see your shading.
Welcome to the club.
I was just saying to Taylor on our way up here when we were moving combines that it should be a little bit easier going and it wasn't as heavy as the last field. 90, 95, 85. Heavy chewing, 2.5 mile an hour. Oh, the Western Star. Get some ice time. First load for Wes. The AC in that truck is so good too. My dad's probably sweating. The temperature outside, 86 Fahrenheit. That's gotta be close to 30 degrees Celsius, no? It's warm. Today and tomorrow, warm. Actually, today, tomorrow, and the next day, warm, and then cooling off. Yeah, good warm stretch here. Well, I was gonna go spray out a tank, but my dad said it hasn't really cooled off yet. It's so hot out, and keep chewing. So I guess I will try to get 2 out tomorrow morning. I have to. Gotta keep that thing rolling so the sprayer is still loaded and will remain as such until morning. Okay. Quitting time. 9:05. As we get later into the year, we will push it more and more. But really, it's the first day and a half. When we're switching fields and switching combines, I somehow lost one glove. I have one glove with me. The other glove is in the other combine. Can you bring my other glove with you when you get out of the cab?
Yep.
I couldn't figure out why I have one glove. Ugh. This is the best part about quitting time. Get in the semi, turn on all the lights, grab some gears. Thanks. Do you like my mood lights?
No. Wow. I eat a bug. I spit it out.
Well, I would hope so.